Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this one, we're going to talk about a project that goes by the name of Cobox. Now, it's been a while since we have talked about metaverse projects, and ever since then, there has been huge developments in the AI sector, in virtual reality. Things are obviously going in the right direction when we talk about metaverse. So, this is an industry that is developing and it is growing and it is expected to become much larger in the coming years. So, in this video, we're going to talk about this metaverse project. We are going to discuss their token, how the token will be used, how we can benefit here, and all of that information. So, make sure that you watch till the end. As always, nothing here is an investment or a financial advice. So, always do your own investigation and research. Now let's get into details. This is the official website of Cobox. Now, I think there is some inspiration that I think comes from either Roblox or Sandbox. It's not official, but you do get those hints. It will be a metaverse, an open world, but it is more focused on the UGC, user generated content. That means that we are the ones that essentially will be creating this metaverse. We will be given with all the props that we can place, just by dragging and dropping, and we will be able to create a whole metaverse. So there are, different benefits for developers and creators that we are going to talk about in this video, but this one is focused more on the content that the users are going to generate. Once they generate, they will be able to monetize it. So it's a whole economy here that will be benefiting users, creators, developers, platform, itself, and those people who buy these tokens. So, like I said before, this is the official website, and if we go down there, it says create without limits, own your world in Cobox. Now, if we are to put, an official definition or introduction of what Cobox is, it is a revolutionary no code UGC gaming platform which is transforming virtual reality with a Web3 powered platform that democratizes 3D multiplayer content creation in decentralized virtual experience. I think the definition is pretty straightforward. And if we talk about the platform as a whole, they have raised $1.6 million in 2023, and they have grants from Beam, and their partners include firms like Immutable, Lumia, Beam, BitScrunch, AWS, Unreal Engine. So they are very much covered from the ends of their partners. The market that is projected, the metaverse project in this category, it is projected to reach $1.3 trillion by 2030. Like I said before, it is a fast growing industry. Now, like I said before, there are some benefits that creators and developers will be getting from this. So, as a creator or a developer, you can build, you can own, and you can monetize virtual environments. There are multiple revenue streams through platform fees, asset sales, and subscriptions. We also have community governance for decentralized decision making. So there's no cost for creation for the creators and developers and the game creators. Now, their product is not just limited towards metaverse and metaverse building, but they also have an AI product which is called AI Yoda Power. I think that's how it's pronounced. This is an AI that is built to empower creators, game developers, and digital artists. Basically, it's a smart assistant for virtual creation. Now, in this video, you can have an overview on how creators and developers will be developing this metaverse. As you can see, the whole process is pretty streamlined. It's pretty straightforward. You have all these props, in the in the bottom section from in different categories. So you have terrain, geometry, foliage, activity, and so many more. And then within each category you get different props to place and eventually create your own metaverse. Now once that is created, you can monetize it through different ways, and that is actually where their native token comes in. It has a lot of utilities that we are going to discuss here. So as you can see, that the video, I think, gives a very quick overview on what you can expect here. So I think anyone here can become a creator, and they do incentivize creators here. If you take a look at the tokenomics from the white paper, this is where we can learn about the utility as well. The token name is COBX. It is an ERC20 and also BEP20, so it's multi-chain. The total supply is 10 billion, and the audits are in progress. The value proposition here is it is going to be a universal medium of exchange in this platform. It will be used as a governance instrument, so holders of this token will have the right in in community governance, and it will be used as proof of ownership. Then it has value accrual mechanism. They have these burning mechanics, and then the demand for the token is going to increase essentially and ideally increase the value of the token, and it will be a liquidity driver. And then we have deflationary mechanics. These will be different ways where the tokens will be burned, they will be taken out of the circulation. Then we have staking mechanics. So we have flexible staking, we have time lock staking, we have NFT boosted staking, we have governance staking, different staking through which people can use their tokens to get more tokens to earn an APY from them. Then we have value accrual mechanics. So we have fee distribution, we have Genesis revenue sharing, which include 10% of all revenue to Genesis NFT holders. Then we have creator royalties, we have governance rewards, we have partner integration fees. And this is the whole economic flow on where the the economy flows from user to creator, from platform to user, and advertiser to platform and creators, and so on. So there's a whole economic flow here. Now let's take a look at the utility. This is where we will learn where the token will be used. So we have economic utilities, which will include that it will be used as a primary marketplace currency. So if you want to purchase or sell virtual land, avatars, variables, and in-game assets, it will be done through the token. Then we have a creator publishing fee. There is a one-time fee that is up to $100 to get content publishing rights, and it will be done in this token. Then there's premium content subscription, we have marketplace transaction fee, we have advertisement placement, we have commercial space rental. Then we have utilities in the game, we have a player run mechanic. Then we have in experience currency, quest rewards, tournament entry fee, achievement unlocks. All of them will be done through this token. Then we have utilities for the creators. We have creator monetization, so they can receive these tokens for content engagement and purchases. They can apply for grants to further increase their development, and that grant will be in this token. They can earn ongoing Cobox royalties from secondary sales. We have streaming revenue, we have commission structure. Then we have governance utilities, we have advanced utilities including staking rewards, NFT boosting, land development, experience monetization, cross metaverse bridge. So as you can see, the utilities are unlimited. Everything in this platform will be done through this token. This token essentially sits in the center. It is the powerhouse of this entire platform. So that means this token will have an increased demand. People will have to purchase these tokens because they will have to use these tokens in one way or another. And as they do that, they are going to increase the value of these tokens. And furthermore, we have burning mechanics to further decrease the amount of tokens in circulation. So the demand is increasing the value, and the burning mechanics are taking away the tokens from circulation. It's pushing the token towards a much higher price from both ends, and I think that's really amazing. So there's a whole roadmap that outlines what is coming next. There will be further developments and partnerships, and there will be more marketing and stuff. So everything here is packed. This token will unlock premium access of the platform for anyone who wants it. Now let's talk about the Genesis NFTs, the benefits that you can get from it. So one of the pin posts that they have here is own a Genesis Box NFT and you unlock exclusive benefits. Now, by holding a Genesis Box NFT, this is what you get. You get revenue sharing, so you can earn from 10% of all the platform revenue that is distributed monthly by rarity. So there are different tiers of these NFTs, as you can see here. So we have there are in total 10,000 unique Genesis NFTs. 50%, that makes 5,000 NFTs, are common. We have 2,500 NFTs that are uncommon. We have 1,500 NFTs that are rare. We have 700 NFTs that are epic. And we have 300 NFTs that are legendary. And the more rare the NFT becomes, the more valuable they become, and you get more benefits. So I think in terms of revenue sharing, if you have a rare NFT, you will be getting a bigger portion. Then we have loyalty rewards. So you can claim from the 10% of the total Cobox token supply. They have allocated a decent supply for for these NFTs and the NFT holders. You get one free land publishing, so you can instantly launch your world inside Cobox, which otherwise will require you to pay a fees. Then we have exclusive access. You get priority to premium land, features, and events. Then we have staking multipliers. So you can boost your staking yields using these NFTs. So you get early Cobox claim, you get revenue share rights, you get premium creator tools, you get one free land publish, you get priority listing and rewards, you get loyalty boost that is tied to rarity. So you get all these benefits for having these NFTs. And then we have talked about the burning mechanics for the unsold Genesis box, which further solidifies the token value. So this is all about the Genesis NFTs, which I think are quite useful. And if you want to get the most out of this ecosystem, out of this platform, if you want to boost your staking yield, and if you want to earn more and you get more access, I think going for these Genesis NFTs is the way to go, and I would recommend you to give it a try. So I think it cannot be everything that we talk about, because as you can see, it is an expanded ecosystem with a lot of offerings. So obviously we can't cover every detail in this one short video, but I'll give you guys the links that will be in the description, including of this platform, the white paper, and their social media, so you can follow them and you can take a look at it on your own to see what they have to offer and where you fit in. But yeah, this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly, so stay tuned.